Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at the 2023 Queen Elizabeth II half-ounce Britannia gold bullion coin, and these are issued by the Royal Mint and are highly sought after by investors. The 2023 Britannias feature the classic standing Britannia design by Philip Nathan. The coins also feature the high-tech security features introduced in 2021. These include a small latent image on the bottom left, acting as a hologram. It changes between a trident and a padlock depending on the angle the coin is held. A small microtext border can be seen around Britannia, which reads Decus et tutemen, which translates to an ornament and a safeguard. This coin bears the final portrait of the late HM Queen Elizabeth II by Jodie Clark, and the legend of the coin reads as follows: Elizabeth II, DG, Reg, FD, £50. These coins have a diameter of 27mm, a fineness of 999.9 and contain 0.5 troy ounces of the precious metal. The coins are supplied to us in Royal Mint blister packs, so you can buy a sealed sheet of 20 coins. The 2023 Gold Britannia series includes additional weight issues, specifically 1 ounce, a quarter ounce and 1/10 of an ounce. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and TikTok.